Hello, my name is Cheryl Wilson. I'm an abstract artist, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're old, thank you again for coming back and always supporting me and being part of my journey with me. As you can tell by the title, this is more of a chit chat. It's not going to be a creative video. It's going to be a chit chat with you all to get your feedback and your opinion, kind of to help me out. First of all, it's my birthday today, so I'm in a good mood, and I try to always be in a good mood on my birthday, and take care of myself. And so, um, cheers to you, and I've gotten some happy birthdays from a lot of you, but that's not what the video is about. Okay, so um, I started my channel several years ago. I have almost 800 subscribers. My views, though, are the last couple, and there was one I just put out. They only run about 400 or 500, maybe 600. There's once in a while I'll get a couple in a row that maybe get a little over 1,000, and that's not very much. And I'm asking you all to help me out in giving me your feedback as to why. You watch a lot of other artist videos, so you might have some opinion. First of all, let me just say, a couple months ago, I put a survey out, and I said, do you want me to be, um, have more videos that talk about me as an artist in between or in conjunction with my art, or just my art? And 85% said my art. So I don't put a lot of videos out there of my life per se. I'm also not an influencer, and I think you know what that is. Those are the videos where the people talk about a day in my life, a week in my life. Sometimes you get to see people have coffee and waking up in their bed and all that. That's their life. Their videos are all about their life. And a lot of times, those people have people who help them out. My main job is I'm an artist. I am a working artist. I sell my art. I pedal very fast. I have my art in galleries. I do shows. I work very hard to actually paint and sell my art. The reason why I have a YouTube channel is because a lot of times I get questions, and I thought this was a better place and forum to answer those questions. And I like to help other people. But it takes, sometimes 16 hours more to input into a video, to do the filming of the video, to edit the video, to make it a little more interesting with some music. It's a lot of work. And so I work from, I get up at 5 in the morning, and I don't stop until, my husband comes home. Now next month he's retiring, so my life will be a little bit different. But I work 12, 14 hours a day, and to keep up social media. And I'm not complaining. I love it. It's the way I've been since I was like 16 years old. I've always worked hard. I just don't know if I'm doing something wrong in my YouTube world to not get my views up. Along with that, I don't have a lot of the fancy equipment. My budget is for my art is to create my art to sell. And as those that are doing the business, you know how much it costs to have a website, to have all the platforms and canvases. Everything costs money. I have a higher budget for that. I don't have a high budget for camera equipment and lighting, although I did get a new light, which was a little over, I think it was $150, because I had a couple people tell me they wish my lighting was better, so I hope that's better. But My views are low for having 8,000 subscribers. I have like 12% where people do a thumbs up, and I know that it takes time to go over and do a thumbs up. I love the comments. You all are wonderful in the comments. I don't get a lot of comments. And I do have one lovely soul who leaves me a thumbs down almost every video, and I'd love to know why you even watch my video if you don't like anything about what I do, but maybe you could tell me why. What is it I'm doing that you might like differently? And every once in a while I'll get a comment from someone who's never commented before, and it's really nice. I know it takes time to leave a comment. I know it takes time to go over and, excuse me, do the thumbs up. And so I'm appreciative of that. But my channel's not growing. And if there's something I'm doing that I could do better for you all within the realm of my parameters of my small world of what I do as an artist for you all on YouTube, I'd like to know. I'd love your feedback. I may not be able to do everything that you may be asking, but maybe I can. But I don't know what it is that I may be doing. I don't know if the wrong is the right word, but I'd like to know how I can better my videos so that they are, my channel grows. There's a fine line between coming to you and asking your feedback and your opinion, because I may get some feedback that may hurt my feelings, but I'm willing to take that chance. I want to do YouTube. I want to share my knowledge for you. It is very time consuming, and I do it in between trying to build my business as an artist. There's some artists out there that teach, but they don't sell their art. There's a lot of artists like that. I sell my art. That's my main business. That's the crux of what I do. So I'm a busy gal. But anyway, without having to keep repeating myself, I would love to find out from you all if there's something I can do to grow my channel, to ask you all to, if you could, share my channel, do a thumbs up. If you're someone who watches my channel every single time, once in a while, maybe every other video, do a thumbs up, leave a comment, help me maybe for 6 months. Let's see if I can grow my channel, and let's see where we go. And then I will make a determination then on how I should proceed. I also want to say thank you. I have a membership group that's just for supporters. I cannot thank you enough from the bottom of my heart, those that continue to support me. I am able to buy the new light that I got to help with the production. With a little bit of funds, it's not a lot. YouTube takes a good chunk, but it helps, and I appreciate you. And again, I am a person that appreciates even, a smile from a stranger. It doesn't take much for me to be appreciative of other people. So this video is hard for me to put out there because I don't want it to sound like I'm complaining. But if you could provide me any insight, either in the comments or privately, Cheryl at CherylWilsonArt.com, if you'd prefer it to be a private comment, I would truly love that. And again, thank you for being a part of my journey with me. And let's just see if maybe I can grow my channel by learning from you what I can do to make it better. Anyway, thank you, and I love you all, and take care.